Need to list your products but don't have a GTIN or UPC? No problem. In this video, we'll guide you through how to request a GTIN exemption in Seller Center. Let's get started. GTINs, like UPCs, are unique barcodes used to identify products. But not all products have one. If your items are private label, handmade, or from a brand that doesn't use UPCs, you may request a GTIN exemption. To begin, log into Seller Center. Then, select Catalog, followed by GTIN exemptions. Next, select Apply for GTIN exemptions to start your request. First, enter your store information. You can add up to 3 store URLs. This step is optional, but providing URLs can help speed up the review process. Next, select up to 10 categories that apply to your items. After that, choose up to 100 product types across those categories. This step is important because your exemption will only apply to the specific product type selected. After that, select the brand name for each line on the summary page from the brand dropdown. Type in your brand and select it from the resulting list. If your brand isn't listed, select Add a Brand, then follow the prompts. If your items don't have a brand, type in Unbranded, then select that option. Next, choose the reason for your exemption request. If none of the listed options apply, select Other and enter your explanation in the description field that appears. After completing all required fields, select the Submit button. A confirmation message appears once your request is submitted. You can monitor the status of your request on the GTIN exemptions page. At first, your request will have a processing status as it gets reviewed. If your application is approved, wait at least 4 hours before setting up your items to allow the system to update. If additional information is required, your status will show Needs Info. A request for more information will be sent to your email. Respond within 5 days or the request will automatically close. If your request is denied, hover over the Denied status banner to view the reason. If your brand doesn't have GTINs and you think this denial might be an error, you may raise a case with seller support. And that's it. You now know how to request a GTIN exemption in Seller Center.